Get ready! The Albany High School 2026 journey is taking you to Taiwan, a place where ancient traditions meet modern wonders, where every meal is a celebration and every view takes your breath away. Let's take a sneak peek at the highlights waiting for you. Imagine gliding above green tea hills on the Maokong Gondola, with Taipei 101 sparkling in the distance. Picture yourself walking across the Taiping Sky Bridge, the longest in Taiwan, surrounded by clouds. And when you reach the top of Taipei 101, the whole city opens up before your eyes. Taiwan's skyline views are simply unforgettable. Step into Taiwan's living history. In Tainan, visit the island's first Confucius temple, the birthplace of education. In Lukang, wander red brick streets filled with centuries-old temples and traditional shops. And at Baishatun Temple, join in the famous Mazu pilgrimage, nicknamed the Pink Supercar. These are moments where culture and spirit come alive. In Taiwan, you don't just watch, you create. Try woodcarving in Sanyi, Taiwan's artistic capital. At Joy Cottage Resort, fold, tie, and dye your own indigo fabric using natural plant dyes. And at the Mochi factory, get your hands sticky making chewy, sweet mochi. These aren't just souvenirs, they're memories you make yourself. Head to Taiwan's stunning northern coast. Walk through Shimen's terraced rice fields where golden waves meet the deep blue sea. Discover Laomei's green reef, a seasonal natural carpet of emerald moss. Explore Yehliu Geopark, home to the Queen's Head and other rock formations sculpted by the sea. And along the way, taste local flavors in lively old streets by the coast. After adventure comes relaxation. In Beitou, soak in soothing hot springs and stroll through the eco-friendly library. In Guanziling, experience rare mud hot springs and the incredible fire and water spring. And at Yujuju Tea House, slow down in a traditional garden, sip high mountain tea, and practice mindfulness through Zen in tea. Taiwan is where body and soul find balance. Taiwan is a food lover's paradise. From the world-famous dumplings of Din Tai Fung to Hakka Lei Cha to savory Jinshan duck, every meal is a new adventure. And when the sun goes down, Taiwan's night markets light up. At Zhongli Night Market, try everything from oyster omelets to bubble tea while playing games and soaking in the buzz of Taiwanese nightlife. It's food, fun, and friendship all in one. Finally, discover a taste of Southeast Asia in Taiwan's Little Yunnan. In Longgang, enjoy Yunnan rice noodles, try on colorful ethnic costumes, cook local dishes, and join in music and dance. It's a vibrant, multicultural experience that makes this journey truly one of a kind. This journey isn't just about places, it's also about people. At Tai Senior High School, you'll meet local students, join classes, and share cultures. Through activities, performances, and real conversations, you'll build friendships that go beyond borders. This exchange is where Taiwan truly becomes personal, because it's about connection. From breathtaking skylines to centuries-old temples, from hands-on creativity to delicious night market flavors, and from coastal wonders to warm hot springs, the AHS 2026 journey is more than just travel. It's about learning, connecting, and sharing. At Tai Senior High School, we'll build friendships that cross borders and cultures. This is a living classroom filled with discovery, adventure, and lifelong memories. Join us and discover Taiwan like never before.